Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, we'll be discussing and going into practical aspect on how to design business flyers with multiple image. So if you are new to this channel, kindly like, subscribe, and leave a comment in this video so that anytime I drop a video of this kind, you'll be the first person to be notified. So let's design a very creative, simple design. So tap create on your page you want. I've created my page already. So let me bring the background color. Okay, just need light blue. Light blue. I think I should go with this. Then let me bring in a shape. Come to your element, search for anything you want. Let me search for shape. Okay, I have many shape here. Okay, this is the one. This is I want to use. Mm, search for it. There's a mix up here. Okay, I'm bringing this one. Okay, that's the one I want to use. Drag it up, drag it down. Okay, so you drag it down to the extent you want. Okay, then I will duplicate it and drag it down. And I will change this. Okay, let me duplicate this and change this color to yellow. Change it to yellow. Yellow. I'm good with this. And let me bring in something nice. Yeah. Search for Black Friday. Okay, Black Friday. So let's bring in a wonderful design. This is Black Friday. So you search from here anyone you want. I saw one. Okay, let's use this. Black Friday sales. Remove the background. Click on background remover. Okay. Adjust it well. Okay. Okay, let me bring in the supermarket name. Come to your gallery. Since I have the okay, this is the supermarket name. Let me add it. Hmm. Then let me bring in this image down. Change it to white. So come to your element. Let me search for this. There's one thing with Canva. Canva can give you anything you want for your design. But scanner, let me search if it can give me a URL scanner. Search for this. Okay, this is what I want. Bring it. That's one thing with Canva. Canva can give anything you want. Very interesting app to place it here. So you will be bringing in some element here. Let me bring in a frame. Search for frame. Frame. Okay. Say frame. So position it very well. Okay. Bring it down here. Okay. So let's bring in our image of whatever we want. So I'll be getting all the elements I want from Canva. So come here. Let me search for sugar. Let me search for sugar. Let me search for sugar. Canva can give you anything you search. So from here you can choose the ones. Let me use this container. Um, well, this one cannot let me use the image. Use the photos. Let me search for any sugar I want. Oh, okay, let me put it like this. Sugar back. So these are good. Let me use this one. Okay, and let me bring in another image. Okay, one more. Okay, okay. So now let me put in the price tag. Come to your text. Then just a 550. Okay, so you just watch what I'm doing here. This is 1 3 Black Friday price. And I'll let me bring in, let me search for something X. Close up. Mm, so all those ones. So I'm supposed to get that image. So this is how you have to design. Then let me bring in some image from my phone. So whatever you have, just bring in the image and add. So let me just use this image of this bread. I'm fixing everywhere. Depending on, so in your case you can just put in anything of those such, then you are good to go. Put in the image you want and the name, the price, and everything. It's as simple as this: designing a price tag and a business and a sale flyer. So hope with this you can be able to practice and design a very simple flyer like this for your business promo. And if you want to download, just come to your download icon here, tap on it, and you are good to go. Saving. your design has been downloaded, you are okay. Make sure you watch, subscribe, and leave a comment in this video so that I will be making such video to educate you on your graphic design journey. Do have a wonderful time.